Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Very often I see a question that about how to link PayPal to our Clickfunnels account. Well, if you are a member of the Clickfunnels, you definitely have come to a very particular point in time that I need to link my PayPal in order to receive the payment that I used to be doing before in promoting the affiliate products of Clickfunnels. And as you know, PayPal has another feature in order to help us as Clickfunnels users in order to receive payments. So how you are going to do that? First of all, you go to PayPal, but you need to make sure that your PayPal account is a business one. Yes, a business PayPal account. Then you go on, let me show you from the beginning how I did it. You go on login to dashboard. Okay. If you're already a PayPal user, okay, you will enter your password, and while you're entering your password, you go straight down here. You go to the part of my apps and credentials. When you go in your my apps and credential, you go to live. While you go to live, you go and click create app. Okay. Once you create app, you put a name. I would say Clickfunnels user. Okay. Then when you finish on doing that, you create the app. Then you're going to scroll down. You're going to have an ID about it. Okay. Once you have the ID, you go to Clickfunnels. Well, if you are already a Clickfunnels user, you know that you go into account settings. You go to account settings. Then you go to payment gateway. You go to payment gateway. Once you add your new payment gateway, finishing it there, you choose the PayPal V2. Okay. And since you are going to be a new client, you just paste the link over here. And then there's another part that's going to say client secret. So you go back again to your edit application, your PayPal, I'm sorry. Then it's going to show you another secret code, which is going to be this. Then you copy paste that secret link. Once you copy that secret link, you go to Clickfunnels again, and then you paste it over there. Okay. Unfortunately, I won't be able to, approve it because I already created my own PayPal account. Once you finish on inserting those two links, you create PayPal V2, and then your PayPal is linked into Clickfunnels. But remember, guys, before doing so, you need to verify that if your PayPal account is a business account. If it's in your individual name, it won't work. You need to make it a business account. It won't be a very difficult task to do. Okay, if you are having any trouble in making your PayPal a business account, just send me a message below, and I will readily put a video in the near future. So thanks for watching for it, guys. I hope it helped you. Take care. Bye bye.